Diana, do you know, is the minute hand the shorter one or the longer one?
I forgot.
You forgot? Okay, let's ask our friends for help. Santana, is the minute hand the shorter one or the longer one?
Longer.
Perfect, the longer one. So that means the hour hand is the short one. Okay, so I am going to push a picture of a clock to your whiteboard now. So just wait for this picture. I'm going to push it to you, and I want you to draw. So it's pushing, let it go. All right, so all of you guys should see a clock. Give me a thumbs up if you see a clock that just appeared on your whiteboard. Give me a thumbs up. Perfect. I want you to draw 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Show me how you would draw 5 o'clock. Now remember, you need to make sure I could tell the difference between your minute hand, which is the longer one, and your hour hand, which is the shorter one. Please do that now. I'm going to be looking. I'm going to give you guys about 30 seconds. How do we show 5 o'clock? How do we show 5 o'clock? And then I'm going to put it on my clock. And it is okay if your lines are not completely straight. Sometimes I have some trouble drawing straight lines on my clock too. 5 o'clock. So that means our hour hand.
Miss Kalina, can you make me another clock?
I can. I will make you another clock.
Me too.
All right.
Can you make me another clock?
Yes, guys, make sure you're not deleting your clocks. Okay, I have to make everyone a new clock. So let's try this again. We're going to push it. All right, it might reappear, so you might have to redo your clock. All right.
I've got my clock now.
Mine already have the answer on it.
Yes, it did. Miss Kalina messed up. Okay, let's try this again, guys. Please do not delete your clock, okay? Do not delete your clock. All you should be doing is drawing the time I asked on your clock. All right. I am pushing a new clock to you. So everyone, just give it a minute. All right, everyone should have a blank clock. Now we're going to switch the time. I want you to draw 3 o'clock on your clock right now. Show me 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. I'm going to give you guys 30 seconds. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. So I need to see Heidi, Emily, Destiny, Raylan. Let's see 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. How do we show 3 o'clock? Make sure that your hour hand is shorter than your minute hand, which is longer. Good. I see some amazing clocks here. And I like that I could see that your hour hand is shorter than your minute hand. That's very important. Awesome.
Elena, can you not make a new, tell people to do a next step because I have to go tell my dad something?
Okay, Oscar, just go. I have to continue, okay? You're just going to have to catch up when you come. So hurry up. All right. Good job. So I'm going to show you what you should have. And then you guys are going to tell me if this is right or not. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. And you guys are going to tell me if this is showing 3 o'clock or not. You're going to put a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Now I'm going to try. All right.
All right, I'm
My
back.
screen. All right. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Now remember, look at the length of my hands. Is just showing 3 o'clock. Look at the length of my hands. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Is this showing 3 o'clock?
No.
I never said say it out loud. I said use your thumbs. Is this 3 o'clock or no? All right. Susan, you have your thumbs down. Can you explain to me why this isn't 3 o'clock?
The minute hand and the hour hand, they got switched around.
Perfect. Yes. So I tried to trick you guys. The minute hand and the hour hand, I switched them. And that's really important. So I'm trying to get to you guys the importance of having your minute hand be the long one and your hour hand be the short one. So really, my clock, which a lot of your clocks did, so you guys did a really good job with this. I'm very proud of you guys. You guys did an excellent job making sure your minute and your hour hand were different. So it should be like this. Your clock should look something like this. So my minute hand is the longer one. You could tell it's longer, and my hour hand is the shorter one. Perfect. Okay. I need you guys to clear your whiteboards. Let's do that real quick. Let's take about 10 seconds. Clear your whiteboards, and then you're going to put your hands away from your computer. All right. Destiny has cleared her whiteboard.
Like get rid of the clock.
Yes, clear your whiteboard. Oscar, I need you to raise your hand if you have a question. Because if you're just unmuting, everyone's going to start unmuting. It's going to get chaotic in here, okay? All right, I'm still waiting on Emily, Diana, and Raylan to clear their whiteboard. I can see Raylan and Diana, you need to clear your whiteboard. Do that now. Thank you, Raylan. Diana, clear your whiteboard. Diana, do you know how to clear your whiteboard? There you go. Perfect. Awesome, guys. Okay, so we are just listening. So let's make sure we are sitting up. No one should be laying down. I should see your beautiful eyeballs looking right at me. We are making sure that we are listening, full attention. Raylan, I need you to please turn your camera on so I know that you are there. All right, so we've been doing a lot with subtraction, right? Yesterday we went over different strategies to subtraction, and today we're going to be kind of looking at a little bit of story problems again, okay? So I'm going to show you guys something. I'm going to display something on my screen, and we're just going to talk about it for a few minutes, and then we're actually going to use our whiteboards together to try and solve the problem, okay? All right, give me a thumbs up if you could see this. Thumbs up if you could see this. Oscar, that needs to go away now. Thank you, sir. Thumbs up if you could see this. I'm waiting for Emily. I didn't see her thumbs up. Emmeline, I didn't see your thumbs up. Perfect, guys. Okay, I am going to read this first problem. What you guys are going to do is we're going to help try to figure out how to solve it together. So we need to be listening. Make sure you are muted. It sounds like someone is not muted. Thank you. Okay, let's listen. You guys listen with your ears, remember? Follow along as I read the problem. Oscar's mother brought him 90 stickers. He decided to share them with his friends. Oh my goodness, right, Oscar? Okay, so let's all pretend that Oscar's mom bought him 90 stickers, okay? He decided to share with all of us. 1 second, Oscar, wait till the end. He decided to share with all of us. He gave away 40 stickers. How many stickers did he have then? We're not answering yet. We're just reading these first questions, okay? So, first, Oscar, put your hand down. Let's decide, is this an addition problem or a subtraction problem? Raise your hand if you think you know. Is this an addition problem or a subtraction problem? Jayla, what do you think, sweetie?
Subtraction.
Subtraction. Who agrees with Jayla? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with Jayla. I do too. Perfect. So we have to make an equation. We have to make an equation. Now that's a big word. Sounds rough, but we've been doing this. So let's make this equation. How many stickers did Oscar start out with? Raise your hand if you know. How many stickers did Oscar start out with? Raise your hand. Kamaya.
90.
Perfect, 90. Okay, now this next question, we're gonna have to use the chat, okay? My next question is, how many stickers did he give away? Send me a chat. How many stickers did he give away? How many stickers did he give away? Do not say it. I never said to say it out loud. I said to send me a chat. How many stickers did he give away? And then I will call on somebody. How many stickers did he give away? Mohammed, how many stickers did he give away?
40.
Perfect, 40. All right, we are not gonna solve it yet. I know you guys want to so bad, but we're not gonna solve it just yet, okay? So go ahead, we are done talking in the chat. All right, who wants to read this one about Becky? Who would like to read this question about Becky? Susan, go ahead and unmute yourself and read this question for me.
Becky had 90 stickers too. She gave away 35. She gave away 35. How many stickers did she have left?
Perfect. Okay. What I want you guys to do right now, listen. In the chat, can you tell me what is our subtraction problem going to look like for Becky? What is our subtraction problem going to look like for Becky? Can you send it in the chat? Oh, I did disable the chat. Thank you guys. You always have to tell me when Miss Kalina makes a mistake, okay? Good. Now you can chat. Thank you. How many stickers did she start with? How many did she give away? Send me a subtraction problem. Do not say it out loud because I want all of our classmates to get an opportunity to guess, okay? All right, I'm still waiting on a few people. Oh, these are awesome, guys. I liked how some of you even put the equal sign after it. Like how some of you guys put the equal sign after it, okay? It shows us we're doing a full subtraction equation. I'm still waiting on a few people. Heidi, where did you go, Heidi? I should see you. Thank you, sweetie. Heidi, I want you to go ahead and send me a chat. If Becky had 90 stickers and she gave away 35, how many stickers does she have left? We're making an equation like we did for Oscar. All right, raise your hand if you would like to tell me the equation that you sent me. Diana, you seem very excited. Go ahead and tell me, sweetie.
90 minus.
Oh, did you accidentally mute yourself?
Yes.
90 minus?
35.
Okay, and you even told me equals. Perfect. All right. I know it's killing you, but we are not going to answer this yet. I want us to take a good look at these two equations we have. We're thinking. Close your eyes and think. I'm going to ask a question. Close your eyes, close your eyes. Listen to the question, then you're going to open your eyes and try to look at the equations to help. So we have both equations, okay? We're not going to solve them. We're not going to solve them yet. But by looking at the equation, when I say open, go ahead. Who is going to have more stickers left? Think of that question. Who is going to have more stickers left? Okay, open your eyes. Now let's look at the two equations. So look, who is going to have more stickers left? Send me a chat with your guess. Who's going to have more stickers left? Is it going to be Oscar or Becky? Send me a chat. So they both started out with 90. Who's going to have more left? Becky or Oscar? Who's going to have more stickers left? Becky or Oscar? I'm waiting for a few more answers, please. Who is going to have more left? Is Becky going to have more? Or is Oscar going to have more? All right. Raise your hand if you think you know who is going to have more. I want you to say who, and I also want you to tell me why you think that, okay? Why you think that. Let's see, who have we not heard from today? Who have we not heard from today? Oscar, who do you think is going to have more and why? Let's hear your thinking.
Becky.
Okay, why do you think Becky? What's your thought process?
Because when I did the math, I knew that a 90 minus 40 would be 50. So then 5 less than 50 would be 45, I think. No. 55.
Go. Okay.
And
I like the way you're thinking. Do you have more to say?
yeah,
Okay.
and then I knew it was 55 because I just added up 5 from 50 from the first equation and put them like into a together in a full equation. That's how
Okay.
I-
Awesome. Oscar, that's awesome thinking. I see some of us are moving our hands around, not showing that we are listening and paying attention. We need to be focused on our Zoom screen, okay? What Oscar said was great. He was really in-depth thinking. We're going to touch on what Oscar said in a little bit. Raise your hand if you also said Becky is going to have more. Raise your hand if you said Becky is going to have more. Kwaku, can you tell me why you thought Becky was going to have more?
So, like, 40 is the highest number from 35.
Okay.
So, when you like add them, the first one takes a lot away, and the second one takes just a little bit away.
Awesome. Okay, so those were both Oscar and Kwaku are both awesome answers because you guys did it in 2 different ways. So that's telling us that there's different ways to solve this, okay? Let me go over a little bit what Kwaku said. So look at our equations, okay? Oscar gave away more. He gave away 40. So that just makes sense. If Oscar, let's all pretend Oscar has 90 stickers, he gave away 40 between all of us. He was very kind and gave away us stickers. He gave away 40. Becky, though, only gave away 35. So we know that Oscar gave away more. So that means he's going to have fewer left than Becky will, okay? All right, so what we are going to
What
do
if?
now,
But what if?
raise your hand if you have a question or something to say. Oscar, what's up?
But Becky would have. But what if Becky had 90 and I had 1? Becky had 80 and I had 90. If she took away 35, she would have
So that's a good,
45.
that's a good
And
question, Oscar. Oscar, let's talk about that later, okay? We can figure that out later. That's a good thing to be
Okay.
thinking of, though. What happens if that's a good question. What happens if the beginning amounts change? We could focus on that later. Right now, we're just looking at what if the beginning amounts are the same. All right. I want you guys all to hop back onto your whiteboards. Hop back onto your whiteboard. And we are going to show, I want you guys, remember this morning we were practicing how to make the sticks of 10? You should see my whiteboard. I want you guys to show me 9 towers of 10 cubes. So our cubes, our cube sticks, remember our sticks of 10, they look just like this. I want you to make 9 of these. 9 of these on your whiteboard. Please go do that now. Make 9 cubes on your whiteboard. Rosette, what is up, sweetie? Yes, go quick. 9 cubes on your whiteboard. So to have 90. All right, Mohammed's working. Jayla's getting her cube. So is Gabe and Oscar and Kwaku. Susan's starting her sticks. We should have 9 sticks because we know that each long stick is 10. So let's get 9 sticks. 9 sticks. 9 sticks. And then send me a chat that says done when you have your 9 sticks ready. 9 sticks. Nine sticks. All right. I am waiting on Heidi, Emily. Rosetta's using the restroom. Raylan, I'm waiting on you too. We need to be staying here for math, not going away. I'm waiting on Raylan, Heidi, and Emily to get on their whiteboards and show me 90 with their long sticks of 10. Emmeline, you too, sweetie.
Miss Kalina, can I go to the bathroom too? Because
Go
I've did
quick,
all.
bud. Yep, go quick. All right, there you go, Heidi. Raylan, there you go, Raylan. Emily and Emmeline, I see no sticks on your whiteboard. You need to start drawing your 10 sticks on your whiteboard now. Mohammed, what is up, bud?
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, go quick. You guys need to be using the restroom during your break, okay? I know we had a shorter break today. There you go, Emmeline. All right, I'm going to give you guys about 1 more minute to draw your 9 sticks. Someone who is finished, raise your hand. What is this 9 sticks representing? What are these 9 sticks representing? Raise your hand. What are these 9 sticks representing in our problem? Remember our problem with Oscar and Becky? Gabe, what are these 9 sticks representing?
90
90 what?
sticks.
Not 90 stickers, right? These sticks are kind of representing the 90 stickers. All right, Heidi, you only have 6 sticks. I need to see 9. All right, we're going to be moving on in 10 seconds. You had plenty of time to draw your 9 sticks. Plenty of time. Okay, what you are doing, going to do now, listen. Your eyes should be on me. Eyes on me. Emily, Kwaku, I should see your eyeballs. Jayla, we are going. We have 90. We are going to kind of pretend that we're doing Oscar stickers right now. Let's look back at our problem. Let's look back at our problem. That's not it. Where is it? Here it is. Raise your hand. How many stickers did Oscar give away? Raise your hand. Kamaya, how many stickers did Oscar give away?
40.
40. Go ahead on your whiteboard right now. Go ahead and show me that. Take away 40 stickers. How are you going to show that on your whiteboard? Take away 40 stickers. How are you going to show me that on your whiteboard? How many cubes or how many sticks of 10 are you going to have left? If you started with 90 and you're taking away 40, show me that right now. You can either click on the rectangles and click the delete button on your keyboard. You could click the rectangle and click the trash can. Or if you don't know how to do either of those things, you could just X out with the pencil. When you took away your 40, send me a chat to tell me how many stickers you have left. Do that now. Oscar, what we are doing right now is you're going to take away 40 stickers. So how would you show that with your 10 cubes? 40 stickers.
We still have 90 stickers.
So yes, you're still having 90. So what you're doing is now we have the 90. Now we're taking away 40. And then
Okay.
you're sending me the answer of how many Oscar has left in the chat. That's what you're going to do. You're going to send me that answer. Do that now, please. Do that now. I'm watching. Santana's ready. Jayla's ready. Susan. Diana's getting ready. Quaker, you have to delete a few more, it looks like. Destiny, good. Kamaya, good. Gabe, good. Don't forget to send, oh, look at these. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Diana, good. Diana, did you send me a chat yet of how many he has left? Send me a chat of how many Oscar has left. All right, about 30 more seconds and then we got to move on, okay? We're going to do one more thing and then I'm going to send you off for your independent work. Mohammed, you need to be taking away 40 stickers. You still in the restroom. Mohammed, take away 40 stickers from your whiteboard. Do that now. Good, Kwaku. Good, Oscar. Heidi, you need to be taking away 40 stickers from your whiteboard. I still see 90 on your whiteboard. Let's go. You need to be following directions. All right. 15 seconds and then we're going to move on. Awesome. I see a lot of awesome answers on the chat and in our whiteboards. All right. No more moving on the whiteboards. Who can raise your hand and tell me how many stickers does Oscar have left? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. How many stickers does Oscar have left? Destiny, we haven't heard from you yet. 50. Destiny, what did you do to get that? Can you just tell us real quick?
Yep. So what I did is put 9 sticks, and then I took away 4 sticks, and then I counted the sticks when I got done taking.
So how much does each stick? How many is each stick, Destiny?
10.
Perfect. Okay. Everybody, X out of whiteboard right now, okay? X out of whiteboard. Awesome participation. We're going to do one more thing. I'm going to show you, so you should all be just looking at my screen. Do you see my screen? I'm just going to draw a random square right here. Do you see my screen? You should just see a little cube. Give me a thumbs up when you see my screen. Waiting for Jayla. There we go. Heidi, Raylan, can you see my screen? Rosette, can you see my screen? I need you to be looking at here, Rosette. Good. Okay. So we've been doing number lines, right? That's a big thing we've been doing. Number line, number line, number line. You guys are probably experts at number line, okay? So we're just going to show this on a number line real quick, okay? So first, I have to draw my number line. Yes, I know this number line is not very straight. That is okay, okay? All right. They both start out with how many? How many did they start out with? Raise your hand. How many stickers did they start out with? Santana. How many stickers?
90.
Perfect. 90. 90. How many did Oscar give away? Who remembers how many did Oscar give away? Kwaku.
10.
10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10.
40.
40. We hop back 40. Remember, we always put how many we're hopping back. And I'm going to put an O next to this for Oscar. Now we're going to show how much Becky hopped back. Who remembers how many Becky hopped back? Raise your hand if you remember. Raise your hand if you remember how many Becky hopped back. Oscar, do you remember?
35.
Perfect. So Oscar, is Becky gonna hop back? Is her arrow gonna be on this on more than Oscar or less than Oscar's arrow? Where do you think? Is it gonna be on
Am
this?
I unmuted? Can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes. Less.
Good. So she hopped less because she only took away 35. So this number line, it shows exactly what you guys told me earlier. So look at here. So these two are going to be the answers of how many they have left. And you guys all told me, and I know you were thinking it, Kwaku and Oscar told us that because Oscar gave away more, he's going to have less. Remember, when we go left on the number line, the numbers are going down. So Oscar's number is going to be further left than Becky's number. Becky's going to have more stickers left because she gave away less, okay? All right, I'm going to show you how to get to